Good morning, everybody. I know a lot of you are not here. I mean, the meeting is actually optional to attend live, but you're of course required to watch the recording. So today is Wednesday, August 30th. We started this class about 2 days ago. So this is a late start for Astronomy 120. This is section 71. Just to make sure, for those who are watching the recording, they know exactly which class it is. Again, we're going to go briefly, basically, of how this class is structured, what is expected from you, basically, what you need to do on a regular basis to make sure that all of your assignments are done on a timely fashion, and so that you basically are ready for all of the things that this class offers, and take full advantage of it. So that's basically, in a nutshell, what the purpose of the meeting today. To answer a few questions that some of you already have asked, first of all, it is not required to attend live sessions. Excuse me. It is required, though, that you watch them recorded if you don't attend the live sessions. So a lot of you, as I was saying, are not here today. So technically, you guys are required to watch the recording later on to know exactly what's going on in this class. Sometimes when we have these meetings, I will assign assignments based on these meetings. So you really need to know those. In all of the class, of course, there are a lot of recordings already there based on previous classes that I have given on the same topic. So you will have a lot of content basically on video, so you could follow that too in there, and they are offered on a weekly basis. And we're going to go through the structure today on how to do this. How often, that's another question that came in, how often these meetings are going to be held. They are going to be basically selectively chosen throughout the semester. Usually before the exam, there will be a meeting. So I'm going to send the okay, Michaela, you just joined us. They are not required to attend them live, but you still are required to watch them if you don't attend them live. Make sense? Michaela?
Yes, it makes sense. Sorry.
Okay, very good, no problem. Anyway, the point being in here is that you can watch the recording later on, and but you have to do it because you may miss on some assignments while you're doing that. So again, once the session is over, like today, for example, we're supposed to have a session for about an hour. We're going to, I'm going to wait for Zoom to make that recording available for me. Then I will download it, check, make sure everything is fine with it. Then usually what I do in this case, I upload it to YouTube, because it's hard to upload videos to Canvas directly. It takes space and it's very hard to load. So what I do in this case, I upload it to my YouTube channel, which you can find on YouTube just by basically putting my name in there. And then you can watch it later on. So most likely tonight, worst case scenario, by tomorrow, this video will be available for the rest of the class. So that's actually a word for you guys. So if you miss a meeting for one reason or the other, you expected that same night to be posted on Canvas, if not the day after. If you do subscribe to the channel, usually you will see it first. So you're going to see that video before it's posted to Canvas. It's already there. So you're going to basically take first hand at it. Now, this is in general how the process works, okay? Why I'm saying that also is very important. While you're going to YouTube, you'll find a bunch of videos of mine. There are a lot of videos in there. Usually in the first keywords, there will be your class. So, and the title of the video, it should state specifically that this is for Astronomy 120 section 71, because there is another section actually going on right now. And there are some sections from previous dates. So you will see this one is dated August 2023, and that's your class. Obviously, if you choose to watch the other videos, that's fine too, but you have to know exactly what is relevant to your class. if you want to, you could wait when it's posted on Canvas and basically go ahead and watch it on Canvas. So this is the first part of the question that I received, at least from few of you. The other one is, again, how often these meetings are going to be held. And again, it's going to be not on a regular basis, because you will have assignments on a weekly basis, and that's what we're going to talk about today. But usually before exams, at least the first midterm, the second midterm, you will have those meetings. So we'll go through those to make sure that everything is ready and no questions is left before the midterm is assigned. Number one. Number two, also sometimes when I receive 2 or 3 questions about the same thing, let's say, for example, a homework assignment that somebody is having an issue with, trying to figure out, for example, how to apply one of the equations in the class to find, for example, some relevant information, or how to convert from one unit to the other, from, for example, astronomical units to kilometers or light years or whatever that thing is. So again, I sit down with that person, hopefully the message is through. But if there is another person or 2 other people ask the same question, then in this case, that question becomes worthy of the attention of the entire class. Because out of experience, basically, usually, if one person asks a question, chances are there are more than one person actually who are struggling with the same issue. So this is really to enrich the class. So this is really a good thing to start with to build more content. So again, that actually encourages you, if you have something that is not clear in your mind, something that needs attention, something that you try to look at it the first time and it looks kind of vague, looks kind of not clear, don't waste too much time researching it. Don't go and start Googling or go to somebody else or trying to find something on it. Ask it. Ask that question. You have multiple ways of asking the question. I'm going to go through that again. You can send me an email if you want to. But if you do send me an email, you really have to be specific into exactly what class you're calling, you're sending the message from, and also the topic that you're concerned with. Because as you can imagine, I have this semester, I think, about 6 classes. So if you're asking, for example, your question about homework 3, I have no idea. I'll have to search all of the other classes to find out that it's actually coming from this class. So it's a good idea. It's not actually a good idea. It's highly required to have your, of course, your name. It's going to come part of the email, but also the class you're in. So this is Astronomy 120, section 71, and then the question preferably related to specifics, not in general, okay? Not a general question. So this is something that sometimes it can evolve from a simple question up to a meeting with that person, not for the entire class, of course. It's going to be recorded and posted later on Canvas, saying, hey, there is this question that came in related to the homework assignment or related to this topic in the class or related to this thing assignment, and you will have some assignments in this class. And I think it's going to be useful for the rest of the class to also see the recording. When I'm having a meeting with one of you guys, usually I ask permission first if I'm going to record it. If the person doesn't feel comfortable recording it, then I will have to record it after that. So that's so that you know. So if a person requests a meeting online and I answer the question and I see it that it's relevant for the class, so I'll ask that person permission. Do you mind if I record this part in here so that it can benefit everybody else? Record it, then post it on Canvas for the rest of the class. I have my office. Actually, this is my office. I don't know why this is popping up behind me right now. It's from an old setting. So let me change the settings in here to see if I can go back to the old one so that you see my office. What is the background? So let me go back to none. So this is actually my office behind me. So I am in room 195 in the physical science building. So as you come to campus, the physical science building is kind of two buildings basically attached to one another. There is a long side to it, and there is an extension of that. So I'm in the extension actually, which is only two-story building. The physical science building is three-story building. So if you see 3 stories, that's not where I am at least not where my office is. My office is on the other extension. So when you come in, you're going to see, you're not going to find 195 if you're walking in the hallways. You're going to see 194-196. You need to come in. You need to go into there. That's not an office. That's just an entrance, a hallway to another set of offices. 194 is in here, 195 is my office, and 196 is another office in here. So you're going to find it, and in front of me there is a copier. So again, you could come to the office hours that are posted on Canvas, on the syllabus, I should say. And again, if the question is worthy of the entire class to know about it, I either can send it as a message to the entire class or record it for the entire class and post it to the entire class. So you're highly encouraged to ask questions. So to enrich the topic and make it more engaging for the rest of the class, because chances are you're not the only one who has issues with that same topic. It's probably more people who see this, who have probably similar issues with it, and they would be very grateful. Probably they don't know it then, that they probably should have asked the question, but the minute it pops up, they will be very grateful that you did ask it, because they also were having an issue with it. Nothing is kind of too kind of silly, or no. Anything that pops up in your mind and you have issues with it, don't hesitate for a second to ask it. There's nothing wrong with you. It may very well be the way it's presented to you where the problem is. That's really the whole thing that I want to talk about, that in terms of the meeting. So there are two issues. First of all, these meetings are not mandatory to attend live, but they are mandatory to either attend live or watch the recordings. That's one thing. And the other one also, how often, they will depend on the topic. They will depend on the assignments and things like that, including midterms. So let me share with you my screen into the class, and I will explain a few things while we do that. Okay, so I already switched to a student view, how it looks like, how the class would look like from the vantage point of yourself. Okay, so here is the class. No, did I share it or not? I don't think I did. Share. I did not share. Here is the share. Can at least have one person confirm that you guys are looking at the Astronomy 120, section 71? Just to make sure that you guys are looking at the same thing. You can put it in the chat if you want to, or... Yeah, very good. Thank you very much, Kate. Anyway, thank you, Melissa, too. Anyway, the point being in here, this is how the class would look like to you when you first land on it. So this is basically, as you can see from the bottom, it says leave student view, because I am in student view. This is how it looks like to me if I were a student. So this is how it looks like to you guys too. So when you come in here, this is a landing page. This is basically typically what you will see, general information. A lot of this content is actually coming from the syllabus, which you can find in here. You can click in here and you find the syllabus of the class. Or if you want to, you can download this version of the syllabus. I know I already emailed you the syllabus before the class starts, a week before the class starts. So you should have that too. But just in case, you can come always in here just to check when is the next midterm, when is this assignment due, and things like that, or where are we this week and things like that, so that you know you can always download the PDF version to print it if you want to, or to have it separate on your phone or somewhere else, or you can click on this link. There is also another link in here that is the open topic class discussion. This has nothing to do with a specific assignment. This is not graded. This is if you want to ask a general class question from the class. Hey, everybody, how did you do this question? Or how did you do this part of the project? Or how did you do this thing in here? Or does anybody feel like this is probably we should discuss? Or whatever you want to have a general discussion. Please do not ask specifics there, especially related to yourself in terms of specific issues, or if you have difficulty, for example, I don't know, if you have a question about your grade or something like, do not share it in the open discussion, topic discussion. That is reserved for an interaction between usually an instructor and yourself. You don't want your private information to be basically open for debate in there or discussion. That's not the place for it. But general questions for the class, this is a good place for it. It's a good also place for you to check on a regular basis, just to see. Somebody else might have asked a question and you already know the answer to it. So before I interject or before I say something, you could already have had the answer to it. So please do interject, because again, don't feel like, okay, maybe I am wrong, so I should not say something. No, that's not true. As a matter of fact, speak up, express your view, even if it's wrong, because you would want that to be corrected instead of leaving it basically in kind of a misunderstanding. As a matter of fact, it's highly encouraged that you participate in that. Obviously, the rules of engagement are fully enforced in this class, so you have to address everybody with respect and treat everybody the way you want to be treated. And it's discussed actually in module 1 for how to discuss, how to interact in this thing in here. So we have to really be respectful to one another. And that's the only thing that is required in terms of this thing. So that's one thing in here. So I really highly encourage you guys to come in here and ask general questions, because I may say something, I may even explain it, and probably textbook explanation. This is how it's supposed to be. This is what the textbook is saying. And this is an elaboration on page, I don't know, 78, for example, of the textbook. But you may have a view on it that is probably different than everybody else. You may explain it better. And your peers will be very thankful. Oh, is that what it meant with it? And probably it's a lot clever than the way I presented or the way that the book presented. So it's really, you're highly encouraged to interact with your peers on that level. Again, this is not graded. You're not required to do this, but you're encouraged to do it, okay? It adds to the participation in the class. And the participation in the class is graded, is part of the grade in the class. So let's go into the models. This is your bread and butter. This is where you're going to be on a regular basis. I didn't mention something which is important also, and that is the accessibility. If you need help with that, please go ahead and fill out the paperwork with the SAS, Student Access Services, and share them with me as soon as possible to be accommodated for your needs, okay? So make sure you do that too, okay? It's very important. So we don't want anybody to be treated differently. Anyway, so it has to be, you have to fill out the paperwork and you have to share them with me, and then you'll be accommodated based on your needs for that, okay? So again, I clicked already on models, and this is where I am at, okay? Every week, you will have that week open for you. Some assignments, they will be checked for your case because you already checked them, and some assignments are not, okay? For me, I'm logged in as a student, and I can see 2 modules already. One of it is I can access these items in it, and the other one is grade. The one that is grade is because it will unlock on September 3rd. One of you guys mentioned in the communications again about this models that there was some assignment they looked at in here, and I think this one, it was looking due September 5th, just 2 days after the model was to open, which is September 3rd. If the model is not unlocked, if the model is still not available, please don't worry about that, because we're going to fix that. Usually the assignment you will be given plenty of time. So I went ahead and fixed it, including the discussion item for next week. So these items, you're not worried, don't worry about them yet, because they are not available anyway. And there are actually far more weeks in here that you can see as a student because I'm still working on them before even I make them, before I even make sure that they are even visible, even when they are not available. So there are a lot of content in here that you don't see at this point, and it's going to pop up in due time, okay? So for right now, we're in week 1. The class started 2 days ago only, started on Monday, today is Wednesday. And this is what you're supposed to go through. This step by step, basically. Try to follow it step by step. If I'm confused and don't know what I'm supposed to be doing, you can always come in here to the objective. Okay, this is week 1 objectives, and it tells me more or less this is what I need to do. Okay, this is the must-do things. This is basically where I can get hit on the grade if I'm not careful enough. Okay, so I need to make sure to meet all of these requirements in here. Okay, so let me go back to where I was, to the models again. So this is the objectives. Every week you will see an objectives for it. So for example, week 2 objectives is in here. So that's where I will see it. This week is kind of special. Week 1 is because I have the rules of engagement. This is the stuff that I was talking about in here. You have to be respectful and all of that. Please, when you read it, so I'm going to read those whole thing, but I have to mark that that it's marked as done, meaning I read it and I agree to it, okay? So that's basically part of the course requirement. So if I don't mark it as done, it's going to stay like this. It's going to stay that it's not done. So it's not checked still. So let me go and check it right now and mark it as done. I read the whole thing and I think I agree to it. So I'm going to go back, going back to the models. It should really give me a check mark that I already have completed this task. Okay. Please don't do that. You have to read the thing. Okay? You have to read it, make sure that you agree to it, and you mark it as done. So this is an easy one. So this is not hard to do. But some of them, like this one, this is an assignment that is going to be graded because it's telling me in here it's out of 20 points, and it's due September 9th. Discussion of week 1 also is worth 5 points, and it's due September 9th. So those things are I have to make sure they do them. Okay, this is the content for this week. Every week you will have a content. So for example, next week, week 2, I also have content for next week. So this is the stuff that needs to be reviewed. So I can click on the content and wait for a second for it to load. And this is a summary basically of the units that needs to be covered from the textbook. Okay. So this is not the entire content. This is just highlights of the content, okay? If you are interested, there is PowerPoints in here from Unit 5 and Unit 6 of the book. So there's more content for you guys to go through. Obviously, you really need to have access to the book, which is free of charge, given from Brightwave for all students who are enrolled. So you can do that and be done with it. So that's really the best way of. You should have received already a code from Brightwave or the access from Brightwave to go to the textbook and read those units. So right now I know it's units 5 and 6, and it should tell me also in the objectives that this is the units I'm supposed to be reading. So again, you're required to do some reading in this class. So it's not a no reading in this class. So you're required to do reading. So this is not it. Textbook. Here is a textbook. Okay. So this is the textbook that you. I mean, why is it backward? Looks like it's written on a mirror. So let me go and fix that so that you guys can see. What is the setting? Video settings, and fix it so that you can see things the way that it's supposed to be. Anyway, so this is the textbook. I hope you guys can see it from there. This is the hard copy. Of course, I have the hard copy. You can get the hard copy if you want to, but Brightwave, I think, gives you the electronic version of it. If I look through this book, okay, I'm going to find Unit 5. That's really, I don't really need to Unit 1 through. Those are not, I mean, if you want to, you can read them, but you are required in here to start reading from Unit 5. And here is Unit 5, okay? So let me remove the share so that you see it better. Stop share. So this is unit 5, the night sky, okay? It starts on page, I can't see it from here. No, can't see it from here. I don't know. Okay, I can tell you what page it is. So it's page 33, okay, from the book. And it extends and talks about things like that, extends to page 38. So 33 to 38, that's about 5-6 pages. Even I can read this thing. So it's not a lot of reading, okay? But you have 2 units this week. Depending on the amount of content, you will have probably more units for per week. So it's not usually 2 units. It could be 3, it could be 4, it could be less. So it could be 1 unit. So let's go back into the share mode so that you can see what I was talking about in here. Share. Okay. For example, next week, you will have 3 units, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So usually count on anywhere between 10, maybe 20 pages of reading on a regular basis. Okay? It could be slightly more. So it's around that number, but slightly more. So that's basically the amount of reading you're expected to do on your own. You will have the PowerPoint. These are the PowerPoints. You will have the content. This is part of the class too. But you also are required to do the reading on your own. Finally, I'm coming back to this items discussions in here, so don't worry. Don't think that I skipped them. Okay, so this 2 in here, these 2 assignments, because next week you will see something similar. You will see also discussion assignment for the week 2, and that's also graded. It has worth 5 points, and it's due on September 15th. You will also have another assignment next week, which is a quiz, and that's due September 12th, and also has 12 points on it. So you have the assignments, they change. So this week we have only these 2, okay? But just let me show you this in here. Every week you will also have the recordings, and those are previous recordings, as I was saying before. So this is Astronomy 120 from the year 2022. This is last year. So this is Astronomy 120, section 70, and this is the fall of 2022. And this is, again, it shows week 1. But this is content related to these 2 units, unit 5 and 6. So in addition to the PowerPoints, in addition to the summary of the content, in addition to the textbooks, you also have these videos. These videos are quite long, okay? They're about an hour and a half, 15 minutes, depending, okay? And there is another one. So you have 2 of them in here, okay? You have 2 parts. And it goes very much in detail. So you should have plenty of resources to make sure you do your content, okay? In terms of how many hours you spend on this class on a regular basis, because we are not meeting in person, so it's going to be, because if we are going to meet in person, it's an hour and a half basically per session. So you're looking at 3 hours minimum in class, plus usually an equivalent amount and something of additional work. So if it's 3 hours times 2, that's 6 hours, add to it 2 more hours. So you're looking at spending about 8 hours on this class on a regular basis. Out of experience in the past for my classes, they usually spend less than that. They spend anywhere between 4 to 5 hours a week. This is a full-time class. This is not a wait toward the end exam, then I'm going to study. That's not going to work. So if you're going to do that, you are not really preparing yourself to succeed in this class. You really have to spend that amount of money. Plan on 8 hours a week. You will find yourself spending less. You will find yourself spending less time, 4 to 5 hours. Now, you can't sit 4 to 5 hours on straight and working on a class. That's not going to work. You get tired, you lose focus, and you get hungry, you get all kinds of things. So divide your time. Plan your schedule. I know you have other classes. I know you're working. I know you have family obligations. That's part of the game. And it's also part of the game, even if you come on campus. So it's still there, okay? You're going to be working. You're going to be worried about your, I don't know, your pet, if it had proper, I don't know what it needs, food and things like that. And you also have to worry about the other classes. So that still works. Divide your time. Divide your time. Say, okay, this time of the week is going to be for astronomy 120. Try to stick to it religiously. Okay. If you miss one time for an unforeseen reason, you have to make up for it yourself. Okay. So you have an hour and a half. Within the hour and a half, because you're on your own leisure at home, you can be relaxed. You don't have to be in a formal basically sitting, but try to complete all of these things in another hour and a half, and you will find yourself cruising through this class, having absolutely no difficulty whatsoever. Now, if you don't have a working environment in where you are, because probably, I don't know, the space is not adequate, the desk is probably not suitable or whatever that is, the computer probably is too slow or something, you can always come in here on campus and take advantage of the STEM Mesa Center. The STEM Mesa Center can provide the working space for you all the time. You come in, you check your name. I think they have a place where you fill your name, and then you go plug in your computer and start working, and nobody's going to bother you in there. Now, if you need a question, you need help, the good thing about the STEM Mesa Center is they have tutors on the spot. They have a technique so that you can go, okay, and say, okay, I have a question, and they will bring you somebody who is going to be able to help you. So you have resources in there. Furthermore, they have computers also. And they have a space for you to go and eat. And if you want to study alone, I mean, the way that, I don't know if you guys have had a chance, and please do come into the Mesa Center, at least to see it and ask for a tour in there, what the services that they offer. You can actually sit in the desks that they offer. It's like a classroom environment, it's a big area, but then you can ask for a room, private room. I think there is it's timed, you cannot stay there forever, but you can ask for a private room and you can sit in there and start working on your own, or watch these recordings and bring an earpiece so that you don't, not everybody else is watching what you're watching or listening to what you're watching. So this is some of the resources that you can take advantage of and the way that you operate and to plan your classes. You will see in this particular week, there is an August 30th video, and that is this video is going to be posted in there. So if later on you would come in, that's where the video is. As I was saying, these are previous recordings. So let's go back into the models. Does anybody have any questions so far, or everything is clear?
I'm pretty clear on everything.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Anyway, so let me go into the models again. So you have two assignments in here, okay? So let me go into, thank you, Kaya, okay? And somebody else also put something in the chat. Kate. Okay, very good. Thank you, Kate. Anyway, so let me go into these assignments, okay? This is assignment 1. It's writing a lot of things, okay? And I really don't have time to read all of this. That's too much. So what should I do? Well, I know this thing is due on September 6th, and another thing is due on September 9th. So the way I'm going to handle it, I'm going to go to here and start looking at the rubric. How am I going to be graded? Because I don't have time in here. I want to just skip the whole thing and just go right to the end of it. Aha, this is what it says. In order to receive 10 points, because the whole thing is out of 20 points, in order to receive 10 points, I have to submit all four items included by this date. So let me go down and check these 4 items. Here are the 4 items, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Please tell us a little bit about yourself, how you want to be called, and what interests you in this class. So you need to include a picture of yourself. So that's item 1. Share the link of the video of the discussion and post. So what link is it? It's in here. So now I have to read this part, okay, to find what they're talking about. You see, this is reverse engineering. So basically you go back to the rubric, see how you're graded, and based on that, you can plan your work. So you don't have to read something and they have no idea what's going on. So what is expected from you. Toward the end, you realize, oh, I missed item 2 or item 3. Then I'm not getting the full mark of what I'm supposed to have. So this is a plan. Every assignment should have a rubric in it, and every assignment start usually with the rubric first to make sure you check item 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even grade yourself. You don't need me to grade you. You can actually say, okay, I met all the requirements, I met the deadline, and I have everything immaculate. So the professor has no other choice but to give me the full mark. Or I missed two parts of this assignment, so I expect 50% of the day. So you could decide your grade yourself. You don't need me to do anything. Okay, you could have your own self-graded, and the same thing for the second part. So this is how you tackle all of the assignments. I see in here that there are 14 replies already. So some of you already have started on this. So let me go back into the models. Sometimes you don't see the replies. So let me go to the other assignment again in a similar fashion. Okay, this is also due September 9th, and this is the details in here, what needs to be done. Okay, for this one, it's straightforward. Okay, you answer the prompt, and here's the prompt. Explain the difference between the coordinates used to locate objects on Earth and the celestial sphere, and you should be able to answer the question. Now, here's another thing in here. So when I was saying earlier, 5 hours is on average, it's probably what you need, is because sometimes you'll find other things in here also, other videos, albeit these videos are very short, comparatively speaking. Okay, some of them about a minute, or like this is 9 seconds. Okay, so some of these things you can watch them, and basically they should be helpful for you. Okay, and 5 in here, read unit 5. So it's giving me the steps in here. I'm going to be graded for this assignment. Okay, so again, this is an introduction to the class and where we should be on a regular basis and how the class is structured and what is expected from you and things like that. Now, since I saw Kaya in here, I know some of you are sitting in my other Astronomy 125, which is the lab version of this class. So there is Astronomy 125, which is the lab, and this is the lecture, Astronomy 120. Astronomy 125 also comes in 2 sections. Astronomy 125, that section 1 that started already in August 14th, and Astronomy 125 section 2 that is going to start on Monday. You are not required to take Astronomy 125 with Astronomy 120. You are not even required to take it after Astronomy 120. So Astronomy 125, the lab version of this class, is optional. If you want to take Astronomy 125 though, you have to have taken either Astronomy 120 or you are taking Astronomy 120. Some of the students that I have in Astronomy 125, whether the section that started in mid-August or the section that's going to start early in September, are not in my astronomy sections, Astronomy 120, either section 70 or 71. They're probably in other astronomy sections because we offer, actually, there are 5 sections altogether. One of them is an in-person class. And some of them are not even taking Astronomy 120 now because they took it in the past. So just to clarify on that. So sometimes you will see me referring to the lab. The lab is not required for you guys. You may just take the lecture and be done with it. And if you do take it, so you have to also understand the 2 sections that are going on right now. There are only 2 sections for the lab. One of them has already started, and another one is starting next week. Okay, that's one. I hope that it's clear for the rest of you. Now, out of experience again, there is more hands-on in the lab, and students usually, how should I say it, find that class far more engaging, and they take more of it than this one, because this one is lecture. Okay, this one has more credits though, because it's more work. We're going to be doing a lot more work in it. Now, this does not exclude this class from having projects. You will have at least 1 project, potentially 2 projects, and it's stated in the syllabus. One of them is going to be on the lunar observations. And another one is if it's going to be, so it's, I did not really decide on it 100%, is going to be on the path of Mars, trying to find the path of Mars. Because one of the things you're going to learn in this class is Kepler's laws and the fact that the planets, when they revolve around the sun, they don't go in circles, they go in ellipses, okay? Sometimes they're closer from the sun than other times. Other times they're far away, and that's called the aphelion. And sometimes they're very close, and that's called the perihelion. So perihelion, Helios is the sun. So you're going to determine in that project the how deformed, if you wish, is the path of Mars, because it's not a circle. So you're going to determine something called the eccentricity, which you're going to be learning in this class too. The eccentricity of Mars. That's one of the projects. The other project, the first one I mentioned, is for the lunar observation. You'll be given a task where you go on a specific date, you go outside and you locate the moon. You see its location in the sky. You're not going to be measuring its angles, but you're going to find that, roughly speaking, where it's located, and also how it looks like, and determine its phase, because it goes through different phases, the moon, as it goes through the cycle, through its lunar cycle. And you're going to report that, of course, in the project. So those are the two types of assignments. Since I am talking about the moon, and that project is in there, and today is August 30th of the year 2023, this is actually a special day. So I really want you to enjoy it. I know I mentioned that yesterday to the students in the lab. Today is going to be a super blue moon tonight, that is. So when you go out tonight, early in the evening, around 7:30, 8 p.m., look toward the east. I don't know where my east is. Sorry, I'm kind of disoriented in my office. I think this is the east, okay? Look through the east, not too far from the horizon. So this is the horizon. Just a little above it, the moon will be up in the sky. And it's going to be a super huge moon. It's like going to be the biggest you're going to see probably until the year 2037. The next time this is going to happen is in the year 2037. So you don't want to miss this opportunity, because we still have what, about 14, 15 years before that's going to happen. So you don't want to miss that. That's really, this is a very rare event that you will have a super moon, which is the biggest moon, because it's going to be the closest from the Earth. That's why it's big. And then in addition to that, it's called the blue moon, because it usually, in every month, there is a full moon. There are exceptions to that, because the moon, the lunar basically year, is less than the solar year by 11 days. So sometimes, in order to catch up for it, it has to have an extra full moon. And this is one of them. And that's why it's called a blue moon. It's not because it's a blue in color. It's because an extra full moon. So in August, we have had already a full moon, and this is, tonight is another full moon. Don't miss this opportunity. It has nothing to do with the project. It's not a graded assignment. So if you miss it, you're missing it on your own. So it's not something that you're going to be graded on, but please go and enjoy it with your family and friends so that you can see this rare event that is going to happen probably in about 15 years from now. And maybe after that, it's going to be about 40, 50 years after that's when it's going to happen. So this is not a common event. So again, you will have, in addition to the homework assignments, in addition to the participation through the discussions, and also in addition to quizzes, you will also have two projects, and they are graded separately, in addition to the midterms. So this is basically how you're going to be assessed in this class. The thing that I recommend the most is make sure you do your reading. You do your reading and try to understand what it's talking about, then come back later on to the videos and make sure you follow them, okay? So this is in a general how this class is structured. This is in general how we're headed for this class. One of the tools, unless you guys have another question, I need to share with you something. We still have about 15 minutes. No questions? So let me load the software. I know I shared with you guys the software. I know those who are sitting in Astronomy 125, the lab version of this class, they already are familiar with it. But those who are not, you are actually recommended. Kate, no, I'm sorry. We're not ready for the project tonight. Okay, she's asking if we could do the project tonight. That's not tonight. Okay, the project is still probably another 3 to 4 weeks for it. But you're highly encouraged to go outside tonight. Okay, and watch it. Basically, it's really an amazing event. Okay, take your cameras if you want to, but I recommend even don't do that because the camera will not capture its beauty. I mean, it's something for the eye to enjoy. That's all I can say about that. But it's not a graded assignment. It's not part of the project, but you're highly recommended to go and enjoy yourself with your family. Sounds good, Kate? Okay, very good. Thank you. So anyway, so let me share with you the software that I asked you guys to download when you have a chance, okay? So this is the software. It's called Stellarium. If you go to their website, which is stellarium.org, and it's actually the link for it is on Canvas. So just go through the Canvas, and actually it's on the syllabus also. You can download the software. I have a Windows machine in here right now, so I have installed it on my Windows computer. If you have a Mac, you can install it. It's free of charge. You're not going to pay for a dime for it, okay? And excuse me. If you have a Linux also, it's free, but the phone version, it's not free, okay? I have it also on my phone, and it's not free. I think it's like $4 or $5 now. I think when I paid for it a long time ago, I paid like $2.99, but now I think that they rated it up to $4.99 or something. But it's not good. And I have the phone version. It's not as good as the desktop version. So there are limitations on the phone, a lot of limitations. But it's useful trying to locate, for example, a specific star or specific object in the night sky, and you are outside, I mean, you're away from your computer. So it's useful to have it on your phone. And this is an accurate software. This is not like those simulations that you have in there. This is actually will give you specifically an object, where its location, and a wealth of information that comes with it. Okay. And the scene that you're looking at right now is not near the campus, because right now I'm near the campus, and it's telling me I am on Earth in San Bernardino and 0 meters above the sea level. Okay, but this is not how it looks like. This is like a generic picture in there, so you can customize yours to look like your area by uploading your own picture in there. It has to be a panoramic picture though. As you can see, clearly see, I'm going to paint through the entire thing. It's going to give me the entire area. Other than that, don't worry about it. Just use the way it is. So when you load it, initially it's going to look south. Okay, so it's going to look south. This is where my south is right now. This is southeast. This is east. This is where the sun rises. Okay, if I look up in the sky, this is where the sun is. If I click on it, it gives me the information I was telling you about it in here. Some of this information is moving a lot, especially this AZ and ALT, okay? These are the azimuth and the altitude. The azimuth is part of this lecture, unit 5, is basically how far is it from the north. So this is where my north is, okay? And I'm looking at an angle of about 110 degrees, okay? So move it this way about 110 degrees, okay? So that's basically a little bit to the south, actually, okay? And that's what it is, southeast, okay? And it's giving you also the altitude, how many degrees above the horizon. This is 0 degree when you look at it this way. This is 90 degrees. This is above my head immediately. This is my zenith. But it's not telling me it's above my head. It's 41 degrees. 41 degrees is, so this is 0. This is 90. 45 is midway. So it's slightly less than midway. So if I go out and look in southeast, so that's probably where the sun is right now. Okay. So it's giving me a real information at this time of the day. So let me pick up the time. So this is the time of the day. Okay, it's using military time, by the way. So it gives you the year, the date, I mean the month, the date, and then the time 9:50 and 14. It goes off of your watch. Now I can pause the time if I want to. Okay, pause the time if I want to. And now these numbers are fixed. They are not moving anymore because I paused the time. You can do that in real life, okay? But in this software, you can pause the time. And I can simulate what's going to happen at 9 p.m. 9 p.m. in military time is 21, okay? So 9 p.m. is 21 and 0. So this is 9 p.m. This is the moon, okay? And again, it's giving me all the information, including the azimuth and the altitude, okay? If I want to have the absolute locations, I can use the right ascension and the declination. And again, that's part of the stuff that we're learning in these units, okay? It's amazing, tonight, around 9 p.m., if the moon is going to be full moon, of course, and that's the beauty of tonight. It's a super moon, it's a big moon, it's a bright moon, so it's going to dominate the sky. Next to it, there is a star, a bright star, but it's going to be dim because of the fact that it's a full moon. You're not going to see it well because the moon is going to be full moon. And that star is actually Saturn. Okay, so if I somehow have a telescope and I can filter out the moon, I can actually look at this object in here and look at it up close, okay? Can I zoom in? I can't zoom in with this mouse in here, sorry. If you have a mouse that has the roller, the wheel in it, you should be able to zoom, except this mouse, I cannot use it. Now, again, this is the moon, okay? So this is the moon that I can see in here. Let me see if I can have a different telescope in here. What is the telescopes in here? It's giving me not a telescope in here. And no. I can experiment with. Right now, I'm having difficulty with this thing in here because I'm looking at Saturn actually. Yeah, I'm having a better telescopes at this. So you can change the telescope. You can put some Barlows in it, and you should be able to get a better view of this objects in here and the sky. I can see Saturn with its rings, and I can see some of its moons, Titan, Hyperion, and Rhea. Okay, so these are some of the objects that I can look at with this telescope. Obviously, if I have really an instrument outside, I should be able to see these objects. If I have even a 5-inch telescope, I should be able to see Saturn and Titan. Those are the two objects that I can see. The others, they're too faint to be seen with the Titan is this object, by the way. Okay, that's a moon. And it gives me all the information about it. Anyway, this software is an outstanding software. I did not even talk about what it can and cannot do. This is really a lot of things that it can do for you, okay? So this is with a telescope, the same telescope we were looking at Saturn earlier, looking at the moon, okay? The full moon. Anyway, you can use it for stars. You can use it for constellations. One of the stars that is of interest to us is, let me go back into the search feature of this software. Come on. Search. And I'm going to look for Polaris. Okay, let me remove the telescope in here. Okay, so this is the star Polaris. Okay, and for some reason, I zoomed way too much. Okay, did I lose the horizon? I did. Anyway, the star Polaris, its information is in here. This is a star that is used for navigation. This star is going to be, we are at 34 degrees, basically our latitude in San Bernardino. So it's going to be about 34 degrees above the horizon. So if this is 45 degrees, it's just going to be below that. And it's going to be in the north. Okay, so when you go and look at it in the north, and this star is going to be the center of all the rotations. So if you wait 15 minutes, 1 hour, the entire sky will shift by 15 minutes. And that's because the Earth, it makes 24 hours to go once around its axis. So it's the Earth that is spinning, not the stars that are spinning. So if we go back into my time and allow time to lapse, allow time to tick. So I'm going to go back and do that and actually move the objects and move them faster. You will see the sky. Now we're moving super fast. Look at the clock below in here. Everything is rotating around Polaris. So everything moves around Polaris, including constellations, by the way. So if I'm going to find the constellations in here, and I'm way much zoomed in because Polaris is part of the the Ursa Minor, okay, the Small Dipper. So and the constellation, of course, is spinning, except Polaris is not. Okay, I lost my my phone. This thing doesn't zoom in. So I can actually, because right now I'm during daytime, so I'm going to remove the atmosphere to see the entire sky. Okay, so so this is how it looks like. We are actually on the 31st at around 10 a.m. and the sky looks dark because I just removed the atmosphere. Again, this is a software that I highly recommend that you download and use. It has a lot of features, way too much features. You can plan your next observation. You're going to, I don't know, for example, to Joshua Tree in the national park in there. And you have a small 5-inch telescope, which can do wonders for you. You can look at planets, especially Jupiter and Saturn with that telescope. You cannot see a lot of details. For example, when you look at Mars or Venus, even with the most powerful telescope, you're not going to see anything because it's super cloudy. You can see more Jupiter and Saturn with that telescope. The moon, of course, is wonderful with a 5-inch telescope. You don't want anything else, but it's going to move too much. So really, if you have a motorized basically mount, it's going to follow it. If it's not motorized, you really have to follow it because of the rotation of the Earth again. It's actually useful also for deep sky objects, basically, like when you're looking at the Orion Nebula, for example. In the Orion constellation, you will see a lot of details, basically, of the nebula, and you will see where the birth of stars is happening in that nebula. Anyway, so and you can plan your trip using something like this one, or if you, this is by far, it's actually used by a lot of institutions nowadays. So this is something that is highly recommended. I know some of you probably have other applications, but those are not as good as this one. This is really the one that we're going to be using, at least in Astronomy 125. We're using it in the lab, and we have other tools also to use to learn about astronomy. Okay. One thing before I finish, I know we have about 2 minutes left, is that this course is not really about astronomy, although all of the things I was discussing at this point are astronomy. This course is about astrophysics, and you will find yourself doing some calculations. We're talking about mass, we're talking about Kepler's laws from Newton's perspective and things like that. And that is because astronomy has evolved. It's no longer going in the backyard and using your telescope and observing things, because that is limited. We can't learn a lot about objects in the sky. We use physics now to learn more about the stars and the planets and things like that, and the galaxy and the entire universe. For example, if I look at the sun, the maximum I can do with astronomy is size, it's probably a distance, and some basic information. But if I use a spectrometer to break down the light of the sun, it can tell exactly what the sun is made up of. It has hydrogen and helium. How do I know that? It's from a branch of physics called the spectrometry. So I have to use that. So, and we need to learn about how to analyze light at some point. Okay. If I understand that composition, and I understand the tremendous pressure on the sun, again, that's physics. We're going to understand the temperature, and the temperature is actually, yes, we can tell the temperature based on the color of the sun, and that's again physics. But then the temperature inside must be big. So let's get us even into deep stuff of physics, namely nuclear physics, trying to understand what's happening inside the sun. So the point I'm trying to say is that astronomy the perception of astronomy has evolved over time. It's no longer the backyard astronomy or the outside to go and do observations. It's more so now involving concepts that are coming from physics. And I know that we don't say that, and even astronomers, they don't say that, but astronomy nowadays is more of an astrophysics than astronomy. So we'll see a lot of concept inside this class also along those lines, okay? It's 10 o'clock. I know we planned for 1 hour, and I promised only for 1 hour, okay? Unless you guys have a question, we probably are going to end this session. Does anybody have any question? Obviously, this is, okay, very good, thank you. How do you say your name? Okay, I'm gonna say it, I know. Chitlalik? Or just go by Ramos, okay? I'm sorry if I messed up your name, okay? My name is also, a lot of people mess it up, okay? People, sorry about that. Anyway, so the point being in here, this is just the start, okay? This is just the start of the class. So bring those questions in. Whenever you think of something, ask it, and hopefully we'll have a wonderful semester together. Thank you. I'm gonna stop the recording now.